have here 1968 Giannini. Giannini Tranquillo. Masterpiece of sound. 1968, I'm about a year younger. Actually older. Anyways, I'm about to give it a high gloss. The video is about giving it a high gloss. The finish is already applied. All I have to do is polish it now. It's already applied and sanded. And I'm gonna do it using this. This is how I did it. It's a true oil, non-stuck oil. So what I did is I used something like this, wet it, and I rub it on very thin. No round, no strike, no streaks, just wet and keep doing it. So I gave it a coat every 10, and actually every 20 minutes. So 10 coats per day. I did 40 coats. I actually has 41 coats, and I already sanded it. Or the way I did the sanding, I went from 800 first. That was the hardest because I had to remove all the pinholes that you see on the paint. Kind of like the low spots are like shiny. So everything is done, then you could see a lot of shiny spots all over the place. You have to sand it until all that is removed. That's so 800 is the first one, is the hardest, takes the longest. Then I go 1000 after that, wet, and then 1000 I go 1500. 2000, 2500, and 3000 wet. It's already kind of shiny, and I haven't even polished it yet. You can see. So now I'm gonna take it inside. I'm doing the video here because it's too noisy in the house. Anyways, the story with this guitar is that my neighbor lives in a mobile home, and so do I. And he passed away. I think they found him dead a couple of days later. He's an old man. Living alone, and his friend came to clean the house, and I was getting out of the house, and he called me. He said, if I know anybody, any kid that wants a guitar. He says it's all beat up, but it sounds really good. He said it sounds loud. So I told him I keep it. I play guitar a little bit, I fix it and keep it. And the neck was broken, so they have put a screw here. And it has some gummy glue, kind of like silicone. So I removed that and I fixed the neck. I put some pins, wood pins. It's been a year. So I gave it the gun stock finish. I only gave it 3 coats and I left it dull. And I've been playing it for 1 year, but it plays so nice that I figured I'm gonna go all the way and do the finish the right way. So that's what I'm doing now. This guitar is made out of rosewood, Brazilian rosewood, and white spruce. This is white spruce. I have like 10 guitars and none of them sounds like this one. It sounds like a drum. Get rid of my left. Feel it when you play it, it vibrates your belly. None of my guitar sounds like that. So anyways, I'm about to take it now. I'm gonna go polish. I got 3 compounds. I will show you later. I got the compound, first compound, second compound, and third compound. And then I have a polishing compound and extra fine. So that's 4. And then I have a wax. After I wax it, it's done. So I should be done today and make a video out of it. Okay, start polishing compounds. I use it with this machine. And I go from heavy cut, number 1 from Amazon. I bought this on Amazon. Then the medium, and then the super fine, and it ends up really glossy once you get to this number 3, but to take it to the next level I use this. It's a total wax car polish. That takes it to a new level. Oh, and this one will do the same thing. So either one will do. And then I use the wax. This makes the guitar smells good. And after that it's done. Now I'm working on the ukulele over here, making a stand for it because I'm gonna make it glossy as well. And you know what? I might make a video step by step how to do the gunstock oil and the sanding and all that stuff, because it will be easy on a small guitar like this one. Okay, this is the final video of the Giannini finish, doing the finish with the rub-on, hand rub-on through oil, Birchwood. This is how it came out. Beautiful, nice and shiny. Brazilian rosewood. There's a guy there from YouTube. Oh yeah, he's working on a guitar too. It's really nice and smooth. I put the gold machine heads. Yeah, I used to have the same one exactly, but silver. They were not original. So I figure the black, this gold with the black looks really good. You can even tell that headstock was broken. This headstock was broken and it got all fixed. You can't even tell. There's a little indentation there, but nothing you can tell. It just came out perfect, professional finish. And then let's compare it to the lacquer one that I restored over here. This one was, yeah, the gunstock finish. Now I'm gonna show you the lacquer one. The K. I restored this guitar, and this one has the lacquer finish as well. Well, different than the other one anyway. But this one was sprayed on. You could see more gloss on this one because it's black, and the black just exaggerates. But it's a beautiful done. There's no wood grain marks or anything. This is it. Now what I'm gonna do, right? I did this one on lacquer, that one on the gun stock, and now I'm gonna do another one using polyurethane. And I'm gonna do a shootout video to see which one is best. And I'm gonna shoot this one with the polyurethane. So I'm gonna have 3 finishes. I'm gonna compare them. I might even compare them to my Michael Kelly here. So anyway, this guitar I'm restoring it from the inside out. When I mean from the inside out, I'm not kidding. Totally from the inside out. It's a Japanese guitar. I'm making a video of rebuilding the guitar. Oh shoot, I just dropped a piece on it. I guess I better say that. So yeah, I'll be restoring this guitar, Japanese domino. I'm gonna compare it. I'm gonna compare the polyurethane to the lacquer and the gun stock. See which one is better. For me anyways, for you might be different. It depends where you live and how much space you have. We'll see. I'll talk about that when the time comes, but I'm gonna make a video on that. So I'm making a video on restoring this guitar, and then I have over here these 5 guitars. I bought them for 30 bucks, and I'm gonna rebuild all of them, make videos of it. And this one here, I think it's called Supertone. It's actually solid wood. It's a Birchwood. It's like the harmony. So I'm gonna be making videos of all of them. So subscribe, and if you wanna see all this stuff, or just look it up. But definitely the most interesting is the finish, to see which one ends up as the best. All right, I think this is the end of this video. Until next time.